Hello learners, welcome you to this video tidbit on the 4 Ds of managing change. This was one of the concepts I learned during my initial days of my career as a learning solutions consultant. We all go through change. We embrace some of those changes and resist some of them. Some of them might be very difficult to digest. Well, consider these scenarios. At work, you did not receive the rating you expected in the appraisal. You might have been pinning your hopes on that rating to get your promotion, which was due. Or you did not get the job or a project that you were so confident of getting. Or even tragic, like losing somebody near and dear. All these scenarios will be difficult to digest, which brings the first D of managing change, which is denial. It's a panic state in which we refuse to believe that the change has happened. We may be in this state of denial for some time and may also oscillate to the next stage called dilemma. The dilemma is a state of confusion on how to take the change forward. We would also spend our time thinking about the past, like what might have gone wrong. You may have flashbacks of events justifying the change, like something you said during the interview or client presentation, which you think could be one of the reasons you did not get the job or the project. We may keep oscillating between denial and dilemma for a long period of time. Now things might slowly sink in and we may move towards the state of acceptance. This stage of direction is the third D, which is very critical. We start looking towards the future, goals, action items. We think of tasks we need to accomplish to overcome challenges like upskilling or working on our relationships, etc. We will naturally transition to the fourth and the final stage, which is delight. Once we are successful in the direction stage, it becomes very easy. It is a sense of accomplishment in handling the change. Well, an average person will keep oscillating between denial and dilemma for a long period, increasing stress and thereby impacting his or her performance. A successful person, on the other hand, would move from denial stage to direction very quickly. Well, all you need to do is ask yourself, when you are in trouble managing change, which of the D's am I in now? Denial, dilemma, or direction? And try moving towards direction soon to get you to delight. Thank you.